Hiya folks, here I am again. Today's song is Four Strong Winds. You should know this. I think I'll go out to Alberta, where there's good air in the fall. I've got some friends that I can go working for. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I ask you one more time. But we've been through this 100 times or more. Four strong winds that blow lowly, seven seas that run high, all these things that don't change, come what may. If the good times are all gone and I'm bound for moving on, I look for you if I'm ever back this way. If I get there before the snow flies and things are looking good, I could meet you if I send you down the fair. But by then it will be winter, not too much for you to do, and those winds sure can blow cold way out there. Four strong winds that blow lowly, seven seas that run high, all these things that don't change, come what may. If the good times are all gone and I'm bound for moving on, I look for you if I'm ever back this way. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I ask you one more time. But we've been through this 100 times or more. Four strong winds that blow lowly, seven seas that run high, all these things that don't change, come what may. If the good times are all gone and I'm bound for moving on, I look for you if I'm ever back this way. I look for you if I'm ever back this way. There we are then, something different. See you tomorrow.